The final steps in the 5-day maintenance procedures are to restart MAGS and to ensure the maintenance has been correctly completed by verifying that the set point readings are within the acceptable range. To complete the set point confirmation and startup checks procedure, remove panel F5 to facilitate verifying and adjusting the burner air. Start up MAGS from the HMI console. Within the first 3 minutes, the cold standby period, verify that the oxygen sensor AT702 reads approximately 20 to 21% after the value stabilizes. If the value is outside this range, shut down MAGS and contact the maintainer to calibrate the oxygen sensor. Air is drawn into the burner through the rotometers located close to the floor. As a result, they can fill with debris and ash. If rotometers are dirty and hard to read, remove the ends and clean the tube with water and a rag. This is a quick procedure, but ensure you have accounted for each component and reassembled them in the reverse order. Once the system is started and the burner is lit, check that the flow in FV140B rotometer reads 45 standard cubic feet per minute, and the flow in FV140A rotometer reads 20 standard cubic feet per minute. If readings are below these levels, adjust hand valve HV140B or HV140A counterclockwise to increase the flow, or adjust them clockwise to decrease the flow. From the HMI screen, ensure that FT407 flow transmitter quench flow reads 11 to 12 gallons per minute. Contact the maintainer if outside this range. From the HMI screen, ensure the flow transmitter ring pump FT701 reads 7.5 to 8 gallons per minute. Contact the maintainer if outside this range. Check the flow switch alarm status of FSAL001 on the HMI screen. Steady green indicates the system is functioning normally. If the status color of FSAL001 is red, the system will shut down automatically. If the status flickers between green and red, you will need to check the FSAL TE001 flow meter and then refill the cooling loop. To check the FSAL TE001 flow meter reading, remove panel R3. Locate the flow meter. If the value is not steady within the 70 to 90 liters per minute range, or if the value fluctuates, refill the closed cooling loop until the value stabilizes. Refill the closed cooling loop by opening hand valve HV001 with the pump running for 10 seconds at a time until FSAL001 TE001 is within the acceptable range. Avoid overpressurizing the cooling loop by keeping gauge PI001 below 20 psi. Replace panels R3 and F5.